So we're going to be starting a new session, a new tier. You show us. There's something really great that you make. You want to show off? Join us on patreon.com. Let's get healthy together. Look for the tier This RN Cooks and show me your artistic creation in your kitchen. Just want to show you the sandwich. So you have a guy, your guy has a hearty appetite. He's a big guy, very wide, has a hearty appetite. Look at this. Here. Here. You tell me if this isn't filling enough for him. And remember, I'm using just what I have at home right now. So, here. You can whip him up a meal in no time. Okay? Have him eating healthy. Let's get healthy together. Look at the cheese in that thing. I'll take it off so you can see. Look at that. Look how delicious that is. See? One proper slice of bread I had. The other was the bread back, the end of the bread. It's so good. I actually want to start eating this. But I did promise my friend. And the cherries. The cherries are delicious in it. Not cherries, cranberries. So let's get healthy together. Which do you want? Your choice. You have a choice. This or this. This. Oh, the cheese, the goodness, and the veggie in there. It tastes great. Or this. This has the bread, whole wheat bread, 100%. Cheese, the goodness. Bell peppers. Avocado. So good. I think I'm going to have a little bit of this. Your guy has a hearty appetite. Your girl has a hearty appetite. Make this for her. Make this for him. He loves you. You'll have the best sex you've ever had. No, I'm just kidding. I just love to say crazy things like that sometimes. But no, seriously. Could you cook this? You bet you can. Thank you for joining us on Let's Get Healthy Together. Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Mwah. Let's get healthy together and sustain it. Blessings. Or no bread. Doesn't matter how hearty that man or that woman's appetite is, they will be satisfied. I'll clean up my language. I am really a Christian, but they will be satisfied, trust me. See, cheese, the goodness. Just the eggs. This has no bread on it. No bread, just the egg. I don't want to rip it apart, but look at that. Is that good or what? I'm sorry. They tell me not to eat on camera. But this is yum. This was just too good. See you next time. Let's get healthy together and sustain it.